Hello everyone, this is Ari from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install PicsArt to your HTC ChaCha cellular phone. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit at menu. At menu, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play Store or Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please check my video how you can do that. Here you have three options: apps, games and books. Hit at apps. At apps you have so many options: home, top page, top free. Hit at top free. In any case, if you not find that apps you are searching, hit searching option here, type the name of application, download and install, or check the list. As you see, PicsArt photo, hit this one, photo studio, hit for install, accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's only 14.35 megabyte. We have to wait a bit. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not going to open from here. I will hit menu or home button. I will hit menu one more time for show you exact location of this software. Here as you see, PicsArt, hit this one. Okay, close or try some other application. I close this one. As you see, this is the PicsArt. You know how to use this one. Effects, college, camera, draw, shop photos. You can upgrade some photo in this application and draw and do the editing work by this. Okay, this is all, my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, more information, go to the Communication, www.irscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.